In this video, I will be going over the assembly and installation of the AMS Saver Snag cutter. After you've printed all the parts, remove them from the plate. And first we are going to take the slide and remove this tab. Then take the arm and line it up like this and slide this pin into this slot here and then rotate it, and it locks it into place. Now we will take a cutter and slide it into the slot on the slide and then push it down into those holes. We are now going to slide it into the body, and the slots at the end of the arm need to line up with these pins here, and the slide goes into this rail on the body. So we'll line those up and slide it down until it clicks into place. If you need to remove this, there's a hole right there you can stick a little piece of filament into while pushing up on the slide, and it will let you take it apart. For now, let's leave it assembled. So we'll put that back into place. And we will put the lock onto the body. So this little part here, we will turn it and insert it in here. That snaps right into place. Now we will take the long Teflon tube. This is 2.5 inches, and slide it into the hole at the top of the slide and into the hole on the guide. Now we will turn it clockwise, so tighten it, and we'll be looking into this hole to see if the tube comes through. We'll also be looking into this hole to see when that tube bottoms out. So we'll keep pushing and turning. Yeah, you can see it's starting to come through that hole. There, that's bottomed out. Now this one needs a couple more turns. There we go, I can feel it. And then line them up, back it off a little bit until they are lined up, like that. And now we will take the short tube, and this is really hard to hold on to. So there's this nifty little tool that I have linked in the profile that you can print out, and it not only helps you cut the length of the tube, but it helps you grab onto the tube as well. So I'm going to stick it into the end like that. It grabs onto it real well. Now this needs to go into this little hole at the bottom of the slide. So I'm actually gonna need to unlock it and then slide it down and slide that tube in and then push it as far as it'll go. There we go. And now I can lock this back. Take the bracket, remove this tab on the bottom, and then remove these supports. And I'm going to install this. The easiest way is to first put this end in and then rotate this end down, and it locks into place. Next we will be installing it onto the AMS. To do that, take the bracket and slide it forward, and it should kind of lock itself down. And then take the top and push it so that the bottom here locks into place. You have here a nice snap to know that it's secure. And lastly, we're going to take this little hat and put it onto the button here. And to do that, so this part here needs to slide under the lip in the front here. So position it like this, tip it up, put that bottom part so it hooks under the button, and then push down, and it'll snap into place. And when you push this, it pushes that button.